My name is Janine.
And I'm Frank. What makes the V-Class so unique and successful? It's the great combination of space, design and sportiness.
Look at this new dynamic front design. You can even go with the AMG line with the new diamond radiator grille.
The new 9-gear automatic transmission and the new powerful V300 engine set new standards in the segment. And a full electric version is coming up soon.
The classy interior of the V-Class shows new design elements. Their climatization and massage function are just fantastic. The new assistance systems make driving as safe as possible. For example, the new Active Brake Assist or the High Beam Assist Plus.
So you see, whether it's family, outdoor or business use, everyday routine or traveling, the V-Class and Marco Polo models are just the perfect choice.